In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create this beautiful blue glittering eye makeup look very easy by using brushes from Electomania. Please remember the brush numbers. I'm using Maybelline concealer in the shade medium. Sharpen your lower eyebrow line using a sponge applicator. Now the upper eyebrow line. Apply on the eye. I'm covering the area that which is visible on the camera. Disperse the concealer using brush number 1. I always use this concealer because the medium shade is something that suits me, and every skin tone is different, and for every skin tone there is a different concealer available. Please check out the one that suits you. This is Faces Canada Compact Powder to settle the concealer. Pick this black eyeshadow from the palette and apply on the eye end. Outline outer V. I'm using brush number 2. Fill the outline inner. Do not cross the outline, be very careful here. Pick this brown eyeshadow and apply on the crease line using brush number 3. Use brush number 4 to soften the hard line. Move the brush back and forth. Pick this blue eyeshadow from the palette and apply using brush number 5. Fill 70% of your eye with the blue eyeshadow, and the rest 30% will be the black eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line. Reapply the black eyeshadow because it is not visible, it's hardly visible. Darken the black eyeshadow. Blue and black are dark colors, and because of the dark blue color we cannot see the black color, and hence it is necessary to reapply it back again. This is Face Up Glitter Glue. Apply the glitter glue. Cover the blue eyeshadow. Apply glitter. This glitter is set of 18 colors. I'm picking the blue one. They're small bottles and they are a very glittering glitters. They're very nice. clear the excess. I'm using cotton to clear. I'm using Maybelline gel liner to apply on the waterline. This is Colossal Maybelline liner. Apply a thick liner. It's a plain straight liner, no wink. Pick this off-white shining eyeshadow from the palette and enhance your brow bone using brush number 6. I'm using Hypercurl Maybelline mascara to make my lashes. I'm wearing Swiss Beauty Vamp lashes. Links to the products are shared in the description below. Please check out. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like the tutorial.